Once upon a time, deep in the calm blue waters of the sea, there lived a gentle manatee. His name was Manny. Manny spent his days floating peacefully, eating seagrass and enjoying the warm water. The sea was his home, and life was simple and joyful. Manny loved the silence of the ocean, the soft waves, and the sunlight dancing on the water. He had no worries, no fears, only happiness. One day, while swimming near the mangroves, Manny met a crocodile. The crocodile's name was Crocky.
This is so much fun! It is! I love swimming with you. Hello, friends. Come to the Northern Sea. Yes, let's go!
At first, Manny was a little afraid because Crocodile looked dangerous, but Croaky was different. Croaky was friendly, kind, and loved making jokes. Soon Manny and Croaky became close friends. They swam together, talked for hours, and shared stories about life in the water. Their friendships made the sea feel even more beautiful. Far away on land there lived a dog with a man. The dog was loyal and loving, and he lived happily with his owner. However, the man got married, and his wife did not like
Oh no,
the dog.
you're all alone with me now.
This dog was abandoned by his owner's second wife.
Away and left him near the seashore. The dog left lonely, hungry, and broken hearted. He cried beside the sea, not knowing where to go. Manny and Croaky noticed the dog weeping near the shore. They swam closer, saw his pain. Without thinking twice, they decided to help him. Croaky caught a fish, and Manny gently pushed it towards the dog. The dog ate the fish.
Thank you for the fish!
The dog
You're welcome.
ate the
It was
fish
delicious!
and
We caught it
felt
together.
relieved.
Thanks!
For the first time since being abandoned, the dog felt safe. Suddenly, a fairy of the sea appeared above the water. She had seen their kindness. The fairy smiled and said, "Kind hearts deserve happiness." With her magic, she transformed the dog into a dolphin. The dog could now swim, breathe, and live in the sea. He was no longer helpless. Now Manny, Manatee, Crocky, the crocodile, and the dolphin lived happily together. They explored the deep sea, played in waves, and protected each other. This story became a lesson of friendship, kindness, and hope. And in the vast ocean, they proved that even after suffering and abandonment, a new life is always possible. So, students, we shall learn some new words today. One is aquatic and marine. This is basically a thing which is related to water or sea, that is called aquatic. Abandon, to leave someone completely. Mangroves, trees growing near the sea. Weeping, crying sadly. Loyal, always supporting someone. Relieved, feeling better after pain or fear. Transform, to change completely. Suffering, pain, or hardship.